hidden away in Southwest Virginia, is a hidden treasure nestled against the Clinch River and towering over Copper Creek between Duffield and Gate City, Virginia. The Copper Creek Railroad Trestle. Now, there are actually two trestles, but when driving on the Orby-Cantrell Highway 58, the taller one towers over the Clinch River and captures your attention right away. The taller trestle, built in 1908, is the engineering marvel that's featured in my video. However, the short trestle was built in 1890. I've driven by these trestles, fished under these trestles, but really never knew the history of these Appalachian gems. No documentary here. Just enjoy the aerial footage of this Appalachian masterpiece. If you get a chance, stop by the marker located on the side of the road. The view won't disappoint. From us here at Appy Valley Drones, enjoy. And God bless.